Another day, another English lesson. Using even for emphasis. Hello, English learners. Today we're going to learn about the word even. We use this small but powerful word to show that something is surprising or unexpected. Where we place even in the sentence is very important because it changes what we are emphasizing. 1. Even before the subject. We place even before the subject to emphasize that the person or thing, the subject, is the surprising part. Even John likes this pizza. We are surprised that John, of all people, likes it. Maybe he is a very picky eater. Even the teacher didn't know the answer. We are surprised that the teacher, who should know, didn't know. Tip: use even plus subject when you want to say this specific person thing is the surprising one. 2. Even before the main verb. We place even before the main verb to emphasize that the action, the verb, is the surprising part. Example: John even likes this spicy pizza. We are surprised that John likes the taste of the spicy pizza. The teacher even helped us do our homework. We are surprised by the action of the teacher helping. Note: if the main verb is be, even usually comes after the verb. For example, the students are even excited about the homework. She is even nervous before giving a small presentation. Now watch and insert even in the correct place in the second sentence. One. The chef at this restaurant is incredible and makes everything from scratch. He even makes his own butter. 2. I can usually convince my friends to try new things, but James is very stubborn and never agrees. However, even he agreed to come to my Halloween party this year. Three. Maria is a great employee who does much more than what is required. She even organized the company archives. 4. Her secret was so well kept that almost no one knew. Even her family didn't know. Five. My dog is very well trained and knows all kinds of tricks. He even opens drawers. 6. The storm is so bad that nearly all businesses are closed. Even gas stations aren't open. 7. To save money, David made many big changes. like canceling subscriptions and selling his car. He even moved to a smaller apartment. Eight. Everyone in my family enjoys classical music, from my young cousin to my grandpa. My young cousin even plays Mozart on her violin. I hope you'll watch more worldwide ELT English language learning videos in the future. See you soon! Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.